Hey, you guys have been writing me a lot. Hey, Adri, I can't comb the back part well, I struggle a lot, I get frizz, it doesn't mark, everything is fine. But therein lies the problem. And I'm here today to show you how it works for me. I mean, after a little more than 3 years with the method, I think I've mastered it. I think I can help you. I think I can guide you. What do you think if before we start, you subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos? Beautiful people, now I am going to share with you how I style the back part of my hair so that it doesn't look unruly, so that it doesn't look like a separate mane, right? And I am also going to show you how I style the bottom part. Adri, I have a much curlier lower part, or I have it much straighter or wavy, or it is another pattern. Look, me too. You see? It's completely normal, and I'm going to tell you why. Because where does the hair start from? 4 fingers up. It's not hair like the rest of the mane, it's still body hair. That's why it has such a different texture, shape, and pattern. And I'm telling you this so you stop fighting, so you stop struggling and know that it's what's expected, what's normal. It's very rare that it's like uniform. Even within the same head, there are different patterns. And it's a common thing, okay? Don't worry. Let's start with the styling. Clean hair, wet hair. We wet the hair. We divide the hair in 2 parts, not so strictly, huh? Because I'm not sure I'm going to do a middle parting today. I think I'm going to comb my hair on the side. As I told you, I'm going to apply Cantu Curl Activator, an amount like this per side, okay? That much? Well, let's remember that my hair is longer, that I have more hair. The amount will depend on the length, quantity, and thickness of your hair, okay? And see how it's done a lot. We focus on the lengths and work our way up. Okay, so to be successful in the back, because you're saying, well, I'm coming here to find out about how to style the back. Why are you telling me all this? Because it's going to be important that we apply the product well, how wet your hair is, so that it's a success. We have already distributed the product. Let's do the humidity test. Maybe it lacks moisture up here. A little trick to get the styling right in general. Well-moistened hair. Make it sound perfect. And then we are going to divide, okay? I'm going to do it with a brush, okay? But you can also do it like this with your fingers if you don't have a brush, okay? Look, for example, here it lacks moisture. Good. Okay, there are the curls. Why am I going to do it with a brush? Sometimes I crave a maximum definition. Can you tell the difference? And so I'm going to do it all over the head. And of course, I'm coming to show you the back. Don't be scared. Okay, so here we go. We run the brush through more than half of the hair. And then we're left with this, right? Check it out. Here we are still going to take out these little strands. And here, this little lock. And so now we're going to start with the back, okay? Here you see that there is a hole. It is very easy. You'll see, okay, let's get wet, if it's not still so wet. And take a good look then. Untangle, if it's tangled, I don't know, you. But here I sometimes get tangled up in that part. There. Okay? And then it's free of frizz. Let's go with the other one. Tum 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 tum. Now that we're scrunching with the head down, it starts to curl much nicer. Now if that part of the head doesn't curl as much, I'll give you another way to do it. You wet your hair. We're going to grab one of the back parts. You're going to grab a smaller lock, okay? You are going to take your brush and you are going to roll up. Roll it up. There. Then look how it looks right back here, okay? And we've already fixed it, beautiful people. Don't worry, don't panic. If you feel it tangle, you just kind of pull it out of here, there, like that. And this one here and the rest, we are going to do it upwards, okay? And why am I going to do it upwards? To avoid squashed roots. And I like to grab not so big strands so it's much easier, okay? Like this, look at the movement, it's like a little curve. With patience, I know you can do it. I think you can do it, people. So look how it looks. And now let's scrunch. Okay, beautiful people, there it is. But the most important thing about this video is, what does it look like from behind? Let's see. Okay. Look at the part here, we can still take it out a little bit like this, so now the hair is ready for us to put some gel on it. Or mousse, what would you like us to put in today, gel or mousse? Huh? And yes, because it just got cloudy. So, this little mousse, ignore the broken lid. It is ideal for humid climates for the rainy season because it does not contain glycerin, and remember that glycerin is an ingredient that seeks humidity in the environment to trap it, so it is not suitable for humid climates or rainy seasons. Little by little. If I hadn't put Cantu, what would I have put? If I had known it was going to rain, I would have put Cativa, because you see, for example, this one is already very thick, almost like a cream, and Cativa is light, has protein, and does not contain glycerin, so it is like the infallible anti-humidity dynamic duo. Scrunch. There it is. The climate where you are is very humid, then you put gel, and then you put another very light layer of gel, or if it's super wet, not so light. You will see how wonderful. And no, I don't remember the experience of being on the beach and having to tie my hair up because it's uncontrollable. I mean, I don't even remember it anymore. If I tie it up, it's because I want to, not because I have to. But here's the infallible trick. There it is. There's the secret to styling the back of the mane. Then I'm going to dry. 3, 2, 1. It's dry, my dear people. Did you see how fast I dried it? One little flip and it's done. From the front, we've got it under control. Now it's done, right? Let's see the little part up here. I think it's pretty good. I see it's not squashed, it's curly, but what we want to see is if it's okay or not in the back, then... Let's see, how do you see it from behind? There it is, beautiful people, with patience, leaning on the brush. If you don't have a brush, you detangle with your fingers, you can still roll it up or make finger coil and put like more dedication to this whole back part. And the top part, if it's raining, if the weather's humid, you can put, mousse, and then you put gel. If the volume goes down during the day, little afro comb. There. If you don't have an afro comb, what can you do? Remember, you shake and it will become more voluminous. I hope it worked for you. I hope it is no longer a problem. It's just a matter of doing it upwards. Do not pass the brush downwards, because if you do it, you generate the opposite effect. And this is all, beautiful people. I say goodbye, very happy, very excited that we have solved one more curly doubt, that we already have one more video to have styling tricks, and be very happy. Of course we do. Thank you very much to you for always inviting me to make new videos, for giving me suggestions. Adri. Today it would be great if you could teach us this and that, because I come and record them happily. This is my Instagram, so that we are very close, as we like my TikTok there, so you do not miss the small mini tutorials if you do not have time to see the long videos. I leave you lots of kisses. A big hug. See you in the next video. Bye.